Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben in the house. I am live. I am live. I am live. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you are new to the channel, welcome to my channel. What I do on this channel, I basically just only focus on the charts. That's it. That's all I do. Okay. I've been doing this for 11 years. I am a professional day trader, professional swing trader. I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday. Okay, and I also swing trade the crypto markets. So if that's something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. You know, I just basically focus on all pretty much patterns on the charts, and I take advantage of those patterns and I make money from that. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to learn how to make money in this current market, because most people just don't know how to. So shout out to everybody that's here. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only, okay? So if you are watching this replay, you can actually go to settings, hit speed, either click 1.5 or 2. You can actually speed up the video. So shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. Okay, so let's see if I see anybody in the chat. Hey, what's going on, Keith? What's going on, Cedric? What's going on? What's going on, Button Sky? What's going on, Leslie Savage? What's going on, everybody? Thanks a lot for coming through. Okay, trying to make this a quick stream. So shout out to everybody that's here. Okay, now Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin real quick, and let's see what's going on in the world of crypto, right? Crypto world. Because I know a lot of people's like, oh my gosh, I don't know what's going on. You know, Bitcoin looks like it's going up. Bitcoin looks like it's going down. You know, I don't know, guys. You know, what's going on. So basically, nothing is still going on. The market is still pretty much not doing anything. We are definitely stuck in this range, and we broke out of the range. We pulled back to the range, and we came back out of the range again. So let's go to that 4 hour real quick. So basically what we're looking at here, guys, is just a simple channel, a channel that's Bitcoin is in right now. And a channel simply means that most likely it will continue and break the channel and most likely go to the downside. That's all the channel means. So we just have to be patient and wait. Okay, Bitcoin, for some reason, these whales and the people that have a lot of money, okay, they don't want Bitcoin to go below 58 right now. They just want to keep it above that level. And that's what we're waiting for. But, you know, if you look at this pattern, basically it looks like breakdown, consolidation, right? A flag, and then a continuation down. So we just got to be patient. Wait for that next move. When it's going to be, who knows? They can, you know, they can hold this up for another month if they want to. Okay. Right now, it looks like it's going to touch the top of the channel. What I'm thinking is two things I'm thinking right now. Okay, two things. We're going to break this channel right here, break above, because most likely, like I said before, these guys, they love taking out stops. So most likely there's a lot of stops right here at this high. So most likely they might go above this high. Okay. And then as soon as they go above this high, reacts to that high and go back down. Or they can go back to at least 7,000. Okay. They can go to that 7,000 area. And basically test that area too, because that's definitely some strong resistance. Test that 7,000 area and then go back down. So that's what I'm waiting for, and I want to see, you know, it might take forever. I don't know what they're doing with this, but overall, that's what I'm waiting for. The market is still bearish. Nothing is new in the crypto world. So that's what I'm looking at. So let me see if I see any questions here. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Let me give everybody a round of applause. Let me give everybody a round of applause. I'm trying to look for that crazy button. Let me see that round of applause. Here we go. Let me take a sip. What's going on, Eric? Iron said what? What's WTS? Buttons guy said moon. I hear you. What's going on, Nara? All right. What's going on, Vargas? Glenn, what's going on? All righty. So, how you guys been doing? How you guys been doing? I know you guys been probably looking for some setups. How you guys been doing? Shout out to everybody that's here. So let's go to the coin market cap real quick. And let me refresh this page. Right now it's at 217. Let me go to the market cap. Let's see if I see anything that's good in this market cap. So I see, let me see. Okay, so around 220. It looks like 220 is a resistance level. So that's definitely looks like 220 is around 220, 224 is definitely a resistance level. So we'll see if we can actually break that level. Or they want to keep it below that level. The volume is still low on Bitcoin. So like I said, guys, nothing changed. Nothing changed. BitMEX, you said 200% up so far, BitMEX. On what coin? 8. On what coin you're up 200%? And did you go long? Did you buy the coin or did you short it? What's going on, Leslie Savage? You said waiting for that down movement. I know, man. I hear you. FX said you're still trying to figure out account, try to get an account. I'm in the USA. Glenn said you have to use a VPN or a Tor browser. Okay. Keith, what's going on, Keith? How you been, Keith? You been on the sidelines? You been taking any trades? What's going on? Anybody been taking any trades? Are you guys on the sideline? What's going on, guys? So so that's what we're looking at right here. Okay. So what's interesting is the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, is at 53. So it's going up. It's going back up. So to me, that's very interesting. Okay. So if it's going back up, to me, that simply means that that's another indication, right? Another indicator that's telling me that we're going to have another move down. Okay. So Bitcoin is going to go slowly up. Most likely these coins is going to go down while Bitcoin does whatever it want to do. These other coins is probably going to consolidate a little bit more. We're going to wait for that next move, guys. So you have to understand, we had a massive move down. So I did expect some type of consolidation. I was waiting for this consolidation. So this consolidation doesn't really surprise me at all. Okay, we had a massive move down. Like, look at this. Like Litecoin and all these other coins, we sold off like crazy. So we could be forming some type of triangle, right? Right here. Goes up, down. We're going to probably wiggle around a little bit. And then probably breaks down to the downside for that next leg down. So all this stuff is just a waiting thing right now. It's like a waiting game. But I think they know that once Bitcoin goes below that 58 level, it's over. It's a wrap. It's game over. So that's why they trying to keep this thing above that 58 level for a long, I guess, for a long time. They're trying to keep this Bitcoin thing above that 6,000 because they know once we hit below that level, man, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. We're gonna lose a lot of confidence in the crypto world. A lot of people is gonna get out. A lot of people is gonna be crying. It's just gonna be a mess. It's gonna be a mess. So right now they're just keeping a lot of people hopes up right now. Okay, and it is what it is. You just gotta wait. So I do expect some type of double top. Maybe around this area. I'm thinking they probably will go up one more time to break this high. And maybe even flirt with the 7,000 level. But I don't think they would bring it up that much. So let me see if I see any questions here. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years. So shoot me a question. Alex, what's going on, Alex? You're looking for a short, looking to see what's going on resistance level right now. Yeah, I know, man. After listening to this, I may revise my strategy. What you mean? After listening to what, Keith? What strategy are you talking about, Keith? Hey, what's going on? Eric said I get a message every time I try to close off quotes. I don't know what that means, Eric. Randy, what's going on? Leslie Savage said a lot of these coins is going to zero. Yes, which is good for the crypto space, which is excellent for the crypto space. It's very good. Sitting here watching Blade. All right. Blade was that movie back in the days. Which part, Leslie Savage? Part 1, part 2? Blade was that movie. So yeah, most of these coins is going to zero. And it's a patient. I mean, you just got to be patient. So let me see. You went long on BTC. So congratulations on you. 200%. That's what's up. Leverage. Okay, that's what's up, man. All good. Made money in the past 2 weeks. At least double my account by following your course and instructions. I'm hooked and fully into this. Now I'm just waiting for some good setup. So shout out to Nara. Nara said basically in the past 2 weeks he at least doubled his account. Okay, by following the rules in the course. So let me give him a round of applause and the ching button. So shout out to you. That's what's up, man. Okay, I see what you're talking about. Well, it all depends on Keith. I'm talking to Keith right now. It all depends on what you're trying to short. What are you trying to short right now? It all depends on that. Because I think what's going to happen again. I think Bitcoin, I've seen the dominance is going up again. So what I'm thinking is the altcoins is going to be another leading indicator, okay? Where you see the altcoins just go down and Bitcoin just up like this. Not doing anything. So I think the altcoins will lead the market once again for that next move down, okay? But Bitcoin might just be in the background chilling and saying, you know, I'm just waiting. Because like I said before, I think by the end of this year, we definitely probably going to see 60% or even 70%, close to 70% with the dominance. Let's see if I see any more questions here. Okay, part 2. Shout out to you, Leslie Savage. You said you just watched Naked Gun yesterday evening. Crazy. Oh, man. I hope everybody is good today. Sean said thoughts on XRP. You said USD or BTC. I really don't have experience. I've been trading the USD Nara, but if you see a setup, you know, you can still trade it. Someone asked me about XRP. XRP looks like it's just ranging out. It's in a range right now. Okay, it looks like it's trying to break this range. So that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we will continue to go back down. That's what XRP is looking like. So, you know, guys, you have to remember that, you know, we dropped a lot. So I definitely do, I definitely do expect some type of range. You know, but for the most part, this is what we're dealing with. I was watching this video with this guy, Tom Lee, talking about he still thinks Bitcoin. Honestly, when he answered the question, you know, he was stumbling a little bit, and it sounds like he didn't want to say, but he said, yeah, I think Bitcoin could hit 20,000 by the end of this year. Okay, and this guy right here,
Tom thinks
at the end,
a fun strat.
It wouldn't be that hard to get there. I mean, remember, in the middle of November, Bitcoin was at 6,000, and it went to 20,000 or 19,000 or so by the end of the year. So it is extremely volatile instrument. It wouldn't be hard for it to get there.
So he said that the guy at the end said it wouldn't be hard for Bitcoin to get to 20,000 because last year it was at 6,000, right? And then it went to 20,000. See, and this is why you have to literally learn how the market works, because if you don't, you listen to these stupid guys and, you know, you're going to start to believe them. Okay? Last year, the reason why we was able to do that is because it was an uptrend. Okay? Anything, when the market going up like this, anything is possible. 50K is possible. 100K is possible. Okay? But this year, the market is not going up like that. This year, the market is pointing down. So the force is down. So for us to go to 6,000 to 20,000, right? It's going to be very hard because the force is down. So this is, you know, this is what you got to deal with. People like him gassing people up. Okay, if you don't know anything about cryptocurrencies, then you got or how to read the market, then you're going to start to believe these guys. So right now, like I said, guys, we are finding we definitely have resistance right here, which is the 68 level. Okay, but I think we're going to push up one more time. If not, we're gonna probably make a double top somewhere around here. I think we're gonna just continue to go back down. I really don't see Bitcoin. I mean, don't get it twisted. Like, anything is possible. Anything is possible. Okay, but I really don't see Bitcoin going up to like back to these highs again. Okay. And the reason why I said that, because this whole move right here, this up move and this whole down move right here, wasn't an obvious move. It wasn't an obvious move. So if they push this thing up one more time and then go back down, that's going to be so obvious. Okay, it's going to be so obvious. Even though they will get a lot of suckers. A lot of suckers will say, yeah, man, we're going to the moon. But, you know, this whole down move wasn't an obvious move, because most people thought we was going to go to 11K. Actually, I even thought we was going to go to at least 9K or 10K. Not 10K, but at least 9K. But I actually did short the top right here. So that's a good thing. When you don't have to listen to news, you're just looking at the chart. But overall, this whole down trend right here wasn't obvious. So if they bring it up once again and bring it back down, that's an obvious move, which, like I said before, these guys are, you're dealing with the smartest guys on the planet. Okay, you're dealing with the smartest guys on the planet. I told you guys already that they know how you think, they know how you behave, they know how you breathe, they know what make you tick, they know what makes you angry, they know everything about you. Okay, so that's why, you know, a lot of people can't do this full time, or they can't understand what's going on, because these guys are very good with playing with people's emotions. Okay, this is why you have to have a plan. This is why you have to have a plan and stick to that plan, because if you don't, you're gonna have, you know, you're gonna be influenced by the outside and, you know, get caught up with nonsense. This is why you have a plan, you trade it, and you stick to it. That's why I try not to base anything based on my beliefs. Like, I don't really try to trade based on my beliefs or invest based on my beliefs, because I know just from the past that my beliefs are usually wrong. Okay, my beliefs are usually wrong, so I really don't like to base anything on my beliefs. I like to look at the fact, the data. The data is the chart, the numbers right in front of you. Okay, Bitcoin was weak right here. We was at a resistance level. You know, my beliefs. Honestly, my beliefs was, okay, we most likely was gonna go to 9K. I swear, that's what I was thinking. Okay, if we went up this high, most likely we're gonna go to 9K. We might go to 95. Okay, that's what I was thinking. But reality told me, hey man, forget about your beliefs. Forget about what you're thinking. It's a setup right here, resistance right here. Short this bad boy, and that's what I did. This is why, me personally, I just focus. I just tune out everybody. Focus on my plan, and that's it. If it's a setup, I take it. If I lose, I lose. But as long as I follow my plan, you know, I know I'm going, in the long run, I'm going to be ahead. And, you know, that's what I do, and that's what I believe most people should do too. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice, but, you know, overall, that's how a professional operates in these markets. Okay? So if you're new to the channel and you definitely want to learn about these markets, hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit that subscribe button, because I don't really sugarcoat things around here. It doesn't make any sense to sugarcoat anything, okay? At the end of the day, the people that sugarcoat, they will be exposed eventually, right? So I'd rather just deal with the pain now, and later down the road, people will say, you know what, man, I really didn't listen to you in the beginning, but now I see what you're talking about. Let's see if I see any questions here. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if I see any questions, okay? Somebody said about XRP. We went over that already. Brian said, Ben, I bought your course, but I can't download it. Need help? Email me right away, Brian. Email me right away. You need WinRAR. You need WinRAR to download the course, and it's free. So email me. If you don't have my email address, Brian, let me know. Let me see. Justin said, Big Ben, does your course go over drawing lines? Some simple charting? Yes, Justin. My course go over drawing trend lines, drawing simple support. It goes over moving average. It goes over certain patterns. Okay, my course is very simple, and I made it like that because I know that most of you guys, pretty much, I want you guys to be successful. And I know if I made it too complicated, you know, you guys probably wouldn't even try to make any money with it or have an excuse to not get in the market. So everything is simple. It's step by step. Okay, I always have a recap at the end of my the videos. Not the end of the video, but the end of the course. I always have a recap because I think that's very important. And yes, I break it down. It's very simple. I go over everything. Okay, Justin. So shout out to you. And Justin, if you want the course, later on I'll give you guys a discount, like a 50% discount. Okay, but this guy give me some time. Let me go over these questions. TRX. You say you have a short in TRX. I'll look at it. Just give me a second. Shout out to Keith though. Keith, $15 super chat. Okay, shout out to him. Thanks a lot, Keith. Let me read that real quick. Keith says, shout out to Big Ben and the fam. Get the course if you're new to this channel. Get the course if you're new to the channel. Let's keep our spirits up. Good morals. And we have here in, let me see, in Discord. Okay, so shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot for that super chat. Let me give him a round of applause. And actually, shout out to him since he brought up the course. If you don't have this course by now, definitely check it out. Hold on, let me see. During the live stream, I'll give you guys that discount, like 50% discount or close to 50%. So basically, right now, I dropped it down to 110. Okay, the original price is 210. So for all you guys that want to take advantage of this on the live stream, you know, you can do it, but it's only on the live stream. Okay, as soon as I go off the stream, it's going back to 210. And not only that, you know, once you get this course, guys, just email me proof that you got this course, and I will send you that Discord link so you can chat with the students. Post some charts, look at the charts that we post, and talk to me, whatever, you know, when I come there. So shout out to you guys. If you have any questions about the course, then let me know. But overall, it's a must get. You could read all the testimonials of all my students making money, and you know, it's a must get. So let me see if I see any questions. So TRX, let me see, TRX. Yeah, so TRX, let's go to the 4 hour real quick. And thanks a lot again, Keith, for that super chat. Appreciate it. Yeah, so TRX, basically, we broke this. We in this channel right here. If you notice, we in this little small channel right here. If you go probably to the 1 hour, you see it better, but you know, we definitely in this channel right here. and you know, still look bearish. So we gotta wait to see what Bitcoin is doing. This can easily break out this channel right here. It can easily break out it. I don't know exactly when you went short or why you went short, but you know, we can easily break out this channel and continue to go back down. If you go to the 1 hour, you probably see the channel a lot better. See, you see at the 1 hour. I just been doing this for so long, I can see the channels pretty much. And then in the higher time frames, but yeah, that's what we're looking at with TRX. Let's see if I see any more questions here. Nara said, Justin, I have made money consistently after Ben's course. That's all you need to know. Trust me, in the group here, it could change the game. It's totally different mindset after that. So shout out to you, Nara. That's what's up, man. Making his money, okay. And like I said before, he's one of my students. So he's basically telling you what's his experience with the course. I'd rather my students tell you what they experience instead of me telling you. Okay, so shout out to him making his money. He pretty much doubled his account already. Okay, in 2 weeks. So shout out to him. Let me see, but but you have to compare the volume between this year and last year. That guy don't know what he's talking about exactly. You said, Alex said, do you think XLM will pull back soon? Pull back to where? What do you mean pull back? Okay. Because some of you guys saying pull back. I don't know, you know, your language. Are you mean going down? Because it's pulling back already. So what are you talking about? Pulling back as in going up or going down? Yeah, smash these likes if you're here. Keith said, Justin, Ben's course will cover everything, the basics, concepts, advanced strategies, and will teach you how to get in a right mindset. Shout out to you, Keith. Let me read these questions. Yeah, Justin, I turned the discount on, okay, but Justin, let me know when you get the course. If you get the course today, let me know because, like I said before, once you get the course, you'll be able to get the Discord room. So let me know when you get the course, all right? Shout out to you, man. He said, I'm excited because Ben is the realest YouTuber, not just a pumper and sugarcoater. Shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot, Justin. I appreciate that. Eric said, here's a question. What would you do? What would you do if you have, I'm guessing he's saying if you have, what you do, you have, hold on, what would you do? I'm guessing he said, what would you do if you have 200 in your trading account? So, go long on BTC, then see go profit, but you can't close your position at the BTC. You still can't get out. What's happening with me right now? With Jeff, I contacted them. Yeah, so to the force exit my. Yeah, if you can't get out, okay. If you can't get out, of course I'm not giving nobody, you know, advice. But if you can't get out, you can close. You should be able to close the whole position, right? Just press close. You can't close. You can't close it at all. you should be able to close it. Your position. Try on your mobile and try on your desktop. Okay, try both. Justin said, and I don't know if I don't know if I copy and paste that link. So for you guys that don't know about the course, I didn't copy the paste this link yet. I don't think so. So I just copy and paste. I don't think I did, but here's the link again. Let me see. Brian said, send me your email. Thank you. Okay, I'll send you the email. I'm sending it right now. Okay, I just send it. Okay, so yeah, Brian, email me, okay? You said is 36,000 shorts in Bitcoin right now. Is that the norm? Verse said, do you think we bottom at 58? Shout out to you, Verse. I don't think you are you new to the channel, Verse? I don't know. I don't think you're new, but shout out to you if you are new. Do you think we bottom at 58? No, I don't think this is the bottom at all. Okay, right now what we're looking at here is a bear market. Okay, we've been going down for the whole year. Okay, we've been having these crazy triple bottoms. We had a inverse head and shoulder. And keep in mind, all this stuff is obvious for a newbie to recognize. So, okay, keep that in mind. All this stuff is obvious for a rookie to recognize. So, a rookie recognized this double bottom right here. A rookie recognized the triple bottom. A rookie recognized the inverse head and shoulders. So, what I mean by that is, since a rookie, person that don't know anything about the markets, can recognize this stuff, and since it's so obvious, it's a like 98% chance it will fail in the bear market. So no, I don't think 5,800 is the bottom. I think we will go lower. I think this bear market will last a long time. We had a lot of chances to go up. Okay, we had a lot of chances, but we never made it anywhere. This is a good chance, right? We should at least went to 9K, 10K, or something like that. We didn't even go there. We just shot right back down. So that tells me that the market is weak. There's no buyers, no demand. So yes, I believe that we will go below 5,800. Shout out to you, Ashley. How you doing? If anybody's new to the course. Justin said, does this course work with BitMax? Yes, it works with any exchange, okay? You said, Randy, you have the course, right, Randy? Randy, do you have the course and do you have the Discord? Because you said, do other broker sites, not JavaX, have demo accounts? If you have the course and you have the Discord room, you go to video updates and you go there and you look at the different sites, right? The different sites. You sign up to those sites. You sign up to the demo account and you can practice on them. You don't have to just practice on JavaX. Hey, what's going on, G Baker? What's going on, Glenn? You said you was Houseway, but are you in the United States, Ashley? Are you in the United States? That's a big question, okay? Are you in the United States, Ashley? So let me see if I see any questions here. Been here for a while, a bit. I like what you say. Always on point. Thank you. No problem, man. Shout out to you. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Okay. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Let me see if I see here. So, yeah. So most of these, the sites that I gave you, pretty much, I think all of them have a demo account. Okay, you can sign up. I sign up. In the video I said, you know, you can sign up for a demo account. Okay, you can try them out to sign them up for a demo account. So I don't know who asked me about the course earlier. Who asked me about the course? Did you get the course? I think it was Justin. Justin, did you get the course yet? Let me know. So right now, what we're dealing with is a market that is in a bear market. Okay, it has to reset itself. It has to cleanse itself, right? We need to cleanse. A lot of these coins are scams. The whole market right now is not really where it's supposed to be at. Okay, and then you have people that are begging for an ETF. You have people now are begging for an ETF. Okay, and this is why I tell you guys, you don't have to rely on anything outside, right? Outside source, because if you really learn how to trade the market or learn how the market works, you can realize that you can make money regardless if the market goes up or if it's going down. Okay, that's why you have a lot of people begging for an ETF, because they only know one way. And when you limit yourself like that, then basically you can't make a lot of money when you just limit yourself just by buying. Okay, imagine I like basketball. I like looking at basketball. So imagine, right? You just specialize in shooting three pointers. Imagine you just specialize in shooting 3-pointers. That means that you just you limit yourself, right? You're limited, and you only can shoot 3-pointers. So if somebody really want to lock you down, they can lock you down, and you probably can't, get the points that you need to get for your team because you only specialize in 3-pointers. But imagine a basketball player that specializes in 3-pointers. They can put the ball on the ground and basically go to the hole, or they can shoot mid-range, right? Or they can take you off the dribble and do layups, dunk on you, whatever the case is, right? Go to the foul line, right? That person's not limited. So if you only buy, you're limited. And they can take advantage of you. These big players will take advantage of you financially and emotionally, okay? Take advantage of you because you're not prepared. You just want to play one game, and they playing multiple games. So you have to play the same game they're playing in order to go along with them. You can't just play one game and expect things to go your way. Let me see if I see any questions here. Justin said, just pay for the course, man. Shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot for that support. Let me give you a round of applause, man. Thanks a lot, Justin. I appreciate it for that support, man, for the channel. Thanks a lot, Justin. I appreciate it, man. And like I tell everybody here, once you get that course, you study it step by step, you're going to recognize that there's a lot of money to be made. Me and my students, we made a lot of money off this whole down move right here. When a lot of people would thought that, you know, the market was going up, right? And we're going to hit that moon, hit that 11K. I actually took a short right here at the top. And when you get the course, I explain why I took that short. Okay. And my students basically made a lot of money off this whole down movement. So there's money to be made. Right now is a swing market, okay? The reason why Bitcoin is playing a lot of games right here at the bottom is because this is a level where Bitcoin knows that if it goes below that level, it's game over. Okay, so they have to play a lot of games around that level, but they can't continue to play games but for so long, you know. So soon we should definitely get some opportunities to make money. But I definitely expect some type of you know, I was expecting some type of consolidation because we went down. We was going straight down, okay? So I definitely knew that we was going to consolidate before we make another leg down. So right now I'm looking for some type of double top, maybe around this area, or I'm looking for, it doesn't even have to break this high, but you know, it could break this high and maybe flirt with the 7,000 level. But I'm definitely looking for some type of double top. I don't really, honestly, I don't really think it wants to go this high. Okay, it could. I don't think it wants to go that high. Okay. Like I said before, guys, they don't want to make this too obvious. This is why they are the best of the best. Okay, they are the best of what they do. They know how to manipulate you. They know how to play with your emotions. They know how to do whatever it takes to make you give up. This is why you always have to follow a plan so you won't, you know, get distracted on the stupid news or these YouTubers. You follow your plan and you trade it. Okay, because they are the best of you know, the best of making you think one thing and they're doing another. Okay, so they probably making people think that we're going to reverse and go to the moon, but like I said before, they the best at that. Okay, I'm definitely looking for some double top. Can this be the double top? There's a possibility that this could be the double top. Who knows? But like I said before, I wouldn't be surprised if they do break this high, but they don't have to. Okay, this 67 level is definitely key support, so they could make this double top right here and just continue to go down. That's a possibility too. Okay, but you can tell that something's going to happen soon. I don't know if they want to do it this month or next month, but you know, we'll see. Let's see if I see any questions before. Let's see if I see any questions here. Yeah, I never saw that before, Eric. Never saw that before. You said every single time you're trying to close. I never saw that before. Never saw that before at all. What's the scoop with this Discord, Big Ben, mixing it up with students in there? Buddy, I don't get what you're talking about. You said, what's the scoop with the Discord? It's the Discord room is for my students, okay? And the Discord is just like a room where we can chat back and forth, and we can post charts and, you know, talk with each other, okay? And like I said before, if anybody that bought the course, if you don't have that Discord, just email me proof that you bought the course, and I'll give you that Discord. So Justin, shout out to you, Justin. Thanks a lot for buying the course. Email me, okay, Justin. Email me. You know, send me that proof, and I will give you that link to that Discord, okay, Justin? Eric, are you long or you short, Eric? Are you long or you short? Are you long or you short, Eric? Hey, what's going on, Travis? Ben, do you like Laura? Who's that? Lori? I don't know who's that. I don't know who's that. That's a YouTuber. Oh, you talking about a basketball player? He's where he's from? What team he plays right now? Let me see if I see any questions here. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you have any questions here, definitely hit that. Definitely shoot me some questions in the chat room if you have any questions. If you are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. Hit those likes. Yeah, Eric, are you long, Eric, or are you short, Eric? Let me know. Chris said the big crash is coming in September. After September, it can actually, Chris, it can actually come before that. You know, it can come before that. It can come before that. Oh, he played in the Chicago Bulls right now? Okay. Yes, Alec, you said cover Tron. Yes, Tron is, you know, it's, all these coins are bearish, guys. All these coins are bearish. Okay. There's nothing special with one specific coin. Tron right now, it broke out of this triangle. It came back into the triangle, but it's in the channel. So at any moment, it could break out of this channel and go right back down. Okay. We all have to wait for Bitcoin. We could actually have a dump tomorrow. So, so Andrea said, you know, the ETFs are a terrible idea. Okay. And I believe, I agree with him. I definitely agree with him. Okay. Most people want that ETF. They're begging, right? Wall Street for this ETF. But to me, I don't like that idea. I'm going to tell you why. Because number one, okay, cryptocurrency is supposed to be separate from the government. We don't need, the government to come in. That's why I don't even like regulations, none of that stuff. Okay, most people think that the ETFs is going to save this market, but I'm telling you right now, it might have the opposite effect. So you have to understand that it might not go as planned. It might slow down the market. It could be our worst nightmare. So most people think that if the ETFs get approved, trillions of dollars is going to come in the market, and then all of a sudden we just going to go up to the moon. It doesn't work like that, guys. It doesn't work like that at all. And most people don't understand the sole reason, right? One of the main reasons why Bitcoin is valuable right now is because it's decentralized. Okay. Other than that, Bitcoin just another platform where you just, exchange money. The value comes from what? Decentralized, right? Just being decentralized. And you don't have to deal with pretty much the government system. When you bring Wall Street into the mix, now, how can you say Bitcoin is really, valuable like that? You can't really say that. So, there's a lot of questions, a lot of what ifs. But, me personally, I don't like that idea. But whatever happens, happen. Like I said, I can make money whether the market goes up or down. So to me, I'm cool with whatever. But, for most people, I know most people want that ETF. And, honestly, that definitely, I don't think that's the answer. The answer is clearing out these scam coins, which the market is doing right now. It's clearing out these coins. Okay, so that's why the market has to go lower, because in order for these coins to go buy, right, die, the market has to continue to go down. So once the market continues to go down, because it looks like it's going to do that, we can go from there. We need to just, clear out a lot of stupidness in this market. I was reading a comment where the guy said people who bought at the dip 14K. Okay. He said if it goes to 5,000, 6,000, it can't go lower than that. After a 90% dip in crypto market, only hodlers are left. No further selling. Okay, this is what most people think. They think that the market can't go below 5,000, 6,000. But what can go low can go a lot lower. There's no bottom when it comes to a bear market. That's what most people don't understand. There's no bottom at all. So that's why it's very important to learn how the market works. This is the best time to learn how the market works. The best time. Let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. Ben course is good quality, just to have much time studying whenever I can. Shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Chris said good day. Hey, what's going on, Chris? After the rejection of the ETFs on September, Flex said these people don't understand that what Bitcoin ETF is not needed. Yeah. So Eric, you went long. So Eric, let me ask you a question, Eric. Where do you have a stop loss in the market right now? Because if you have a stop loss in the market, you can probably move up your stop loss to get you out of the thing. Okay, so do you have a stop loss? You can move your stop loss up, right? You can move your stop loss up to lock in profits if you have profits, and you can get out that way. You should be able to get out that way. Randy, government always finds a way to make the population beg for their rights, freedom, away without even knowing it. Man, shout out to Randy, bro. Randy understands what's going on. Okay, Randy said the government always finds a way to make the population beg for their rights, freedom, to be taken away without even knowing it. Okay, master manipulations. Okay, master manipulators on every level, and that's so true. A lot of people in the crypto world are sheeps. I can tell just by listening to these guys. You know, right now they are begging for an ETF. They don't even know that an ETF would basically pretty much do the opposite of what they think the market will do. Okay, and what if you keep on begging for Wall Street to come in? What's going to happen is the Wall Street is going to slowly take over the market. Okay, they're going to slowly take over the market and control the whole market, and that's it. No more crypto. And when I mean no more crypto, it's not going to be the same. Yeah, they are control freaks. They are very controlled. Okay, the government, right? Back and when we had that .com boom, okay, people was making a lot of money in that .com boom. Okay, stocks was going from $1 all the way to like $60 in probably a day or a week. Okay, I mean, literally, like, people was making tons, like, crazy money, put it like that. Okay, and we had that crash, whatever. Okay, and the government put some stupid rule in, some PDT rule, where if you want to day trade, you have to basically have $25,000 in your account in order to day trade, because they talking about they want to save, right, the average Joe from losing money. That's the excuse. Okay, but that is, you know, that's not an excuse, because we can go to the casino, right? We can go to the casino and blow way more than $25,000, and I don't see them regulating that. But they regulating when we making, you know, easy money. So this is why I'm talking about, guys. You know, this is the game that these guys play. Most people don't understand that. Most people will never understand that, because they're sheep, and like Randy said, they do it in a way where you don't even know it. So shout out to everybody that's here. Let's see if I see any questions here. If you have any questions if you have any questions, guys, let me know before I get out of here. Yeah, Eric, can you hear me? Eric, I don't know if you heard me or not. Do you have a stop in the market right now? Do you have a stop loss in the market? So yes, guys, if you have any questions, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Okay. I've been doing this for 11 years. I've been trading, swing trading. So if you have any questions, let me know. Don't be shy. You don't have to talk. You just type in your question. That's it. So I was listening to a YouTuber the other day. He said he has 90% of his net worth in cryptocurrencies. Okay, to me, in my opinion, that's a big no-no. That's a big no-no. And it's not just cryptocurrencies. That's just any market. I don't care what market is it. Stock market, forex market. I would never have 90% of my network in cryptocurrencies or the stock market or forex. Okay, because anything can happen. One little tweet from Donald Trump, game over. The market goes down and wiped out all your net worth, and we don't know how long the market will recover. Okay, most people don't understand how these bear markets work. Most people just think that these bear markets it's just going to be a blip on. They think it's going to be a blip on a chart. Okay, and then the market will reverse and continue to go back up. It don't have to do that, guys. Okay, the market could crash and stay that way for a long time. And when I mean a long time, I'm talking about 15, 20, 25 years not doing anything. People just don't understand how things work and how it could work and how it could be. Okay, the last time we had a major crash in the stock market, which was like 1929, I believe, we didn't go nowhere until the next 25 years or 24 years, something like that. Okay, and that's what I think was going to happen this year too. And not this year, I'm sorry. Whenever the stock market crash, I think we're going to have a crazy crash to the point where the market's not going to do nothing for a long time. Okay. And we can have that with the cryptocurrencies too, and that's why most people just can't understand that. They think that it's not possible. No way. There's no way the market could be down that low. There's no way. But at the end of the day, guys, we don't control the market. We don't control the market. So your beliefs is just that. It's just a belief. Okay. You hope. We hope. But that's why me personally, I focus on skills that will allow me to generate income monthly, weekly, okay? Because once you have that skill, there's no stopping you. You don't have to depend on a long-term investment at all. And if you look how the rich play, if you look how the rich operate, they don't depend on anything long-term. They do have long-term investments, but it's just a bonus if it works out for them. Okay, they always have these short-term vehicles, okay, that allows them to make money short-term, like basically weekly, monthly, daily. So this is what we're dealing with, guys. Okay. This is why it's very important to understand the market, understand what's going on, understand how it works. This is the best time to understand the market. Research it. Study it. Let me see. Let me see if I see anything here. Let me see here. Chris said, totally agree to many scam coins. Yes, a lot of these coins that's on CoinMarketCap right now, just BS. Let's keep it real, guys. I love crypto. We love crypto. Everybody on this channel love crypto. But a lot of these coins are not doing anything. So why is this coin is worth $387 million? Okay. These coins are not really doing anything in the real world. Nobody is really exchanging these coins like that in the real world. So why are they worth so much? Okay, just because we hold it and that's it. So a lot of these coins are going to get hit hard, in my opinion. I believe a lot of these coins will go to zero. We saw it last time. Okay. If you are new to my channel, do you know that, the last time we had that crash in 2013, okay, you just go to that first list. Go to that first list on the CoinMarketCap. If I can get it, my computer's acting up right now. But if you go to that first list, right? If you go to that first list, most of these coins on that first list or on the first page, you don't recognize at all. So you have to keep that in mind. Let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here, though. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. You said the total market cap will fall 97 billion USD before December. You're talking about crypto, right? So you think, let me see, 97 billion. Yeah, it can definitely hit that. It can definitely hit that 97 billion. Ben, can we see Sears stock? Can we see Sears stock? What do you mean by that? Can we see it? So yes, Eric, if you don't have no stop loss, see if you could put a stop loss in play. Okay. So you go to your order, modify your order. Okay, modify your order, put a stop loss in play, and move your stop loss up to lock in profits. And that's how you can. That should be a way you can get out. Okay, Eric. So go to your order, modify, click modify your order, right? Put your stop loss in. Okay, raise your stop loss to a level where you want to get out, and then you should get out the trade like that. Randy said, what happens to the stockbrokers when the stock market crashes and is down 25 years? Do they survive while it's... Yeah, some of them survive. Not all of them. Not all of them. Some will. The ones that's got the good reputation, they will survive. But, they definitely... Their business definitely will take a hit. Leslie Savage says, no disrespect, but ETH is going to go to its true value, 0.02. Where ETH is at right now? ETH is at 281. So Leslie Savage said ETH is going to go to 0.02, 2 cents. So shout out to ETH. Ethereum is going to go to 2 cents. Sheesh. You know, people is gonna be crying if that happens. Let me see if I see US. Oh man, that was funny. I'm reading these questions, so give me a second. Yeah, no problem, man. No problem, Randy. Yeah, the stockbrokers are definitely going to stay in business. It's not going to be a booming business, you know. Not at all. Not at all. 150 ETH, $25 Litecoin. Yeah, I got actually ETH could actually go to below here, which is 120 something. Or 135 or something like that. So ETH could definitely go to 135. Litecoin could definitely hit the 25 level, $25,000 level. Okay. The first stop would be below here, which is around $34. So it could definitely hit that 25 level, $25. And funny thing, Charlie Lee tweeted that. I think he tweeted that. I think last year, I believe. I think Charlie Lee tweeted that. Don't be surprised if you see Litecoin at $20 something. Hey, what's going on, Devine Perry? Thanks a lot for coming through. I didn't know you was in the chat room. So yeah, guys, you know, just right now it's just study time. You know, if you're in any trades right now, you know, we just have to wait to see what's going to happen with Bitcoin. And you know, we just have to be patient. Be patient, be disciplined. Okay, I was actually listening to a YouTuber, not a crypto YouTuber, but another YouTuber that trades. I think he trade. I don't know. I think Forex or something like that. He said something that was pretty good. He said that if you do what's hard now, your life will be much easier later on, right? If you do what's easy now, your life will be much harder later on, which is so true, right? So if you do what's hard right now, okay, if you do what's hard, which is have discipline, follow your plan, don't let the news distract you, don't let the YouTubers distract you, right? If you do that, you know, overall your trading career would be good, right? But if you do what's easy, which is buy anything right now, you buy the dips, or you go in just because you feel like the market is going down, that's easy. Okay, anybody can press the sell button, or anybody can press the buy button. Okay, is there a reason why you're pressing that buy button though? So doing things easy, you know, you can actually definitely have a hard life, you know. But if you do things that's hard right now, later on, your life will be much easier, right? That makes sense. So you have to have discipline, have patience, and all that stuff will pay off later on. And that's what happened to me. I literally lost a lot of money. I blew like so many accounts. You know how many accounts I blew? I destroyed so many accounts. Lost so much money. But, you know, I never gave up. and I started to do what was hard, which is be disciplined, follow my plan, take the trades that I needed to take, right? Then I started to see results. Same thing that's with anything in life, okay? If you want to lose weight, yes, it's hard to, eat less and eat the right foods, but later on it's going to pay off. It's going to be much easier too. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. Okay, keep that in mind, because most people don't understand that. So shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if I see any more questions before I leave. But shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see. Devine Perry said, love that. Thanks a lot, Devine Perry. Let me see. What's going on, Bema Bros? You said Ethereum. So you said the stop loss is not working. The stop loss should work. And first of all, Eric, when you Eric, or this is to Eric. This is to Eric or anybody that's in this chat room, okay? When you have a trade, you always put a stop loss in play, okay? So, Eric, you should have a stop loss. You should automatically have a stop loss as soon as you press that sell button, okay? You always should have a stop loss, Eric. And that's for anybody that's, listening right now. Have a stop loss. Anything can happen. We're dealing with technology here. Anything can happen. So, Eve said, Beamer Bro said, Eve got wrecked by the ICOs that took the foolish people's money. Eric is long, I think. I think Eric is long. But Eric, you definitely should have put a stop loss. You definitely should have had a stop loss in play. Okay? But guys, let me get out of here. Thanks a lot for coming through. Thanks again, Keith, for that super chat. Thanks, Justin, again, to picking up the course. If you don't have this course by now, check it out. Okay? Before I leave, because once I get off this live stream, guess what? It's going right back up to 210. So if you want to get it, that's up to you. You can read the testimonials, and, if you want to learn how to make money right now in this current market, definitely check that out. I understand that too, Eric. I understand that too, but that's why you have to put a stop loss on every trade, because anything can happen. This is technology, okay? Anything can happen. But I do understand what you're saying, but definitely hopefully you learn from this mistake, because that stop loss would definitely got you out of the trade. So let me know. Are you talking to the people that's on live chat? Yeah, thanks a lot, Keith. Have a good Saturday. Okay. So you said I do when I have the time, not time to watch my trade, but if I do a 10-minute trade, I'm not, but Jeffers will help me. Yeah, honestly, guys, you should always put some type of emergency stop loss in, you know, everybody should always put some type of stop loss in, because I mean, look at this. You see this spike right here? Imagine you was short right here and you had no stop loss. It is spiked up like this. Okay. Like you got squeezed out of your position right here. So anything can happen. This is the markets we dealing with here. So guys, make sure you put that stop loss in play. Thanks a lot for guys for tuning in. Shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to all you guys. I appreciate it. You tuning in tonight. Actually today. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Give you guys a round of applause. And thanks a lot for stopping by, guys. Make sure you have a good weekend. Study, practice, and do what you have to do. Okay? Okay, so shout out to you guys. Anything can happen. What if I put a stop loss and it don't work? Yeah, but at least for the most part, stop loss works. For the most part, a stop loss work. I would say 99% of the time, stop loss work. But yeah, shout out to everybody here. Okay. Have a great night and talk to you guys later.